another fan favorite. Everybody wants to see Louis skate today. Great to put in line together from Hawthorne, California. One of the nicest dudes in the business, one of the most professional. Usually excels in the line section. Very consistent, very original kind of street skater. Nice frontside ollie disaster smash. 1 foot for the fun of it. Hurricane. Backside nose blunt. How's that? Just to show you, if you want some tranny, I'll just throw it in the middle of gnarly technical street tricks. Nice tail slide big spin. There we have those combos.
This is literally like the dream run. We got 10 seconds left.
Just gets away from him. That's probably going to be it. This last trick probably won't be on the buzz after the buzzer. Pop shove it.
Man, that was a good looking pop shove it.
For the love of the game, Louis Lopez coming out.
I love that he pulled out the tail slide big spin like that. 5.7 on the score.
Lou coming in fakey. No. Wow, that was a sweet half cab kick flip. He did not compress when he landed.
Yeah, that was really perfect. And a 7.5 from the judges. First, before we did the women's competition.
Yeah.
Louis Lopez on course, attempt number 2.
Nose blunt slide, big spin out. That's another one you don't see that often. You usually see that trick just it's a Louis Lopez move right there.
It just looks so easy for him. I'm stoked to see where they go with the score on that one. 7.2. All right. Well, you could watch him literally all day because he just never stopped. All right, Louis Lopez on course. Oh, no! Unable to get it. That means Louis Lopez is not cracking into that top 8.